Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Frank Chanda, your go-to guide for navigating the world of online earnings and discovering the latest platform. I'm here to help you unlock new income streams. Today, I'm going deep into a platform that has been making waves in the online earning community, Freecash. Is it really worth your time? Is it a reliable way to earn extra money? Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to decide if Freecash is the right fit for you. Before we jump in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. You won't want to miss any of my future content that could help you earn money online. Now let's get started with what Freecash is all about. So what exactly is Freecash? Launched in 2020, Freecash is a GPT get paid to site that has quickly gained traction due to its user-friendly design and variety of earning options. It's owned by a reputable company in Europe and it offers users the opportunity to earn rewards by completing tasks such as survey, offers, and even playing games. But what sets it apart from other similar platforms? Let's break it down. The concept is simple. You complete tasks, earn points, and convert those points into really money or gift cards. The tasks vary in complexity and rewards, giving users a flexibility in how they want to earn. The point system is intuitive. For every 1,000 points, you earn $1. But as always, the devil is in the details. Let's explore how you can maximize your earnings. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, how you can actually make money with Freecash. There are several earning methods and I will walk you through each one with some tips to optimize your experience. Surveys are one of the most accessible ways to earn on Freecash. Company pays for your opinions and in return you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey. Here is a pro tip. To maximize your survey earnings, make sure your profile is filled out completely and accurately. This helps Freecash match you with surveys that are relevant to you, increasing your chances of qualifying and completing them quickly. Overalls are another lucrative option. Those can include anything for signing up for free trials, downloading apps, or even making purchases. While some offers require upfront payment, they often yield a higher reward. Always read the fine print and set a reminder to cancel any trials you are not interested in continuing. This strategy ensures you get the reward without unnecessary expenses. For all my gamers out there, Freecash offers a fun way to earn through gaming. You can earn points by reaching certain levels or milestones in partner games. This is a fantastic option if you're already enjoying mobile or PC gaming, as it lets you monetize your hobby. Just remember, some games might require in-air purchases to process faster, so budget accordingly. Now, if you have a network or a social media following, the referral program is a great way to earn passively. You get up to 30% of the earnings from the user you refer, which can add up significantly over time. Freecash referral has up to 10 tiers and you can move to the level according to how much you can earn per month. Share your referral link with friends, family, or even on social media and watch your earnings grow. This kind of earning is similar to affiliate marketing. You can promote different products and services and earn affiliate commissions. You can sign up with Digital24 and make passive income online. This is how much you can earn in commission by promoting those products and services. People are building passive income stream with affiliate marketing just with a laptop and internet connection. Therefore, if you want to know how this business model works, check out the first link in the comment. Consistency pay off on Freecash. By logging in daily and completing tasks, you can earn bonus points to their daily bonuses. This is a simple but effective ways to boost your earnings without much extra effort. Alright, let's weigh the pros and cons of using Freecash. First, the platform offers you a wide range of tasks, make it accessible to various users with different interests. Secondly, low minimum payout threshold, which means you can access your earnings faster than on any other platforms. And third, the platform is very user-friendly with a clear interface that is easy to navigate and even for beginners. However, no platform is perfect. Some users may find that task availability can vary, especially based on the geographic location. Additionally, while the earnings are a nice supplement, they are unlikely to replace a full-time income. Lastly, some tasks can be time-consuming with low payout, so it's crucial to choose wisely which tasks you can invest your time in. Now let's talk strategies. How can you make the most out of your time on Freecash? Focus on tasks that offer higher payout for your time. This might include higher value surveys or offers that align with your interests and skills. New tasks are added frequently, so make it a habit to check in regularly. Earlier birds often get the most rewarding tasks. Leverage your social media or network to refer others. Not only you will help them discover a new earning opportunity, but you will also earn a passive income through their activity. So, if you are curious about exploring other platforms, here are some great alternatives to consider. Canva offers a similar mix of tasks with additional features like watching videos or participating in social media tasks. Ysense is another solid platform, particularly for surveys. They have a global reach, which means more opportunity for users in a different regions. Purview Point stands out for its user-friendly approach to surveys. They focus on keeping the experience enjoyable and rewarding, which make it a top pick for survey enthusiasts. Before we wrap up, let's tackle some frequency asked questions about Freecash. Yes, Freecash is a legitimate platform with secure payout methods. However, always exercise caution when sharing personal information online. You can withdraw your earnings through various methods, including PayPal, bank transfers, or even cryptocurrency. The minimum withdrawal threshold is low, making it accessible to many users. If you are looking for a flexible, user-friendly way to earn some extra cash, then yes, it is definitively worth trying. But remember, like any online earning opportunity, your success depends on how much time and effort you are willing to invest. That is it for today's deep dive into Freecash. If you try it yet, I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Until next time, keep exploring new opportunities and stay motivated. See you in the next video.